So in the previous tutorial, you learned how to log into the website and we gave you a bit of a brief understanding of your dashboard. So now what we're going to do now is we are going to show you how to edit one of your products. So once you've logged in, you'll come to the dashboard. Every time you log in, you'll be presented to the dashboard. You're just going to hover over products and go all products. Let that page load. And then, so let's choose one. Let's choose this face and neck. So as you can see, every time I move my mouse, the items appear. So we've got two options. We can go edit, or we can go quick edit. Trash, view, duplicate, duplicate. I would suggest not to do the duplicating because then it will, in the long run, it will get very confusing. I would always either draft an item or add a new one itself. So what we'll do is we're going to click quick edit. Now here you can see you got your title and you got your slug. Your slug is actually the link at the top here of what you want it to be. So you don't want the title to be face and neck and then the slug to be leg and arms, because then when you send that link to someone, they're going to see leg and arms, are going to get very confused. So the slug must always try to be the same as your title. That's when it was created. There's a password, but you don't need to worry about that. There's just some quick products. So SKU is your barcode effectively. There's your price, your sale, your weight, your length, shipping class, manage stock if you want to manage stock. Here's your tags, your enable reviews if you want it, and then here's your categories. As you can see, it's under this category here. So that is if you want to change quick items. So then we haven't changed anything, so we're just going to click cancel. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go and edit. Click on edit. Okay, so as you can see, we've loaded that page and it looks a bit different to the quick edit. So as you can see here, this is your long description. So now let's actually view this item. So I always like to view it in another tab. So I call this the back end, and then this is the front end here. Okay, so now this is what we call the long description. So we're going to go face and neck testing for tutorial sake, and we're going to click update. Okay, so now we're going to go to the front end and click refresh, and you'll see that it stays face and neck, but down here it says testing. So your top text box is actually your long description. So that would be where you would explain in detail about what they will experience. Okay, so there's your title there. There's your long description is what we call it. There's your focus keyword, which you always matches your title. Here's the little description, the meta description that Google will pick up on. If we scroll down here, here is your price if you want to make it on sale. So for example, let's make it 1,000 Rand. Okay. Now with the sale price, if you wanted, you can even schedule it. So if it's going to go on sale from the 2nd of August, for example, until the 14th of August, all you got to do is put the date in there from the 2nd of August, or sorry, what is the date? The 3rd of August. So we go from the 3rd of August now to the 14th of August. So then the system will automatically put it on sale for you at those times and remove it. So because for tutorial, we're just going to put it on sale now. So we're going to click update. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to come and refresh. And as you can see there, now it shows sale, which is in green. We always try to make it a different color to this, to the format of the site, just so that it sticks out. And then as you can see there, we've got 1,000 Rand and the 1,400 Rand is marked. It's got a line through it to show it's been discounted. All right, so that's how you add a special. Specials are quite nice, especially for getting people's attention and that. So let's just take that out. We're going to just go down a bit and we're going to go, this is a short product. So we'll go here, short description, sorry. We're going to go short description there. And we're going to update. Now I also deleted that 1,000 Rand special. So we're going to let it update. And when we refresh, the special will be gone and there is our short description. So your short description would be, for example, would be face and neck. You will experience a lovely face and neck massage for 90 minutes, for example. So that will catch people's attention. Then they're going to go to the long description, which is underneath, and that you will say that you use olive oil, or sorry, coconut oil, and this and that with a scented aroma, and whatever your product is, whatever you do in that time, just so that they can get a full understanding before they make the purchase the item. So that there is how you edit the main details. So on your right hand side, we've got these little options here. So this is your update. Yes, that's what we've been clicking to refresh the front page. These are your categories. So for example, you could have this item in every single category. You've just got to tick it. Okay, as you can see, when I ticked it, you've got an option. This is the primary one, but I can make that one the primary one if I wanted to. So you could have this item in multiple categories, and when you make a change on this item, it will change in all those categories. All right, here's your product tags. Those are just little effective internal links. So you would maybe just paste it in there and hit enter. There's a little tag that you've got. It's just to help people navigate your site. Here is your product image. And then if you, for example, have like a gallery. So the way it's set up is that this is the product image here. Then if you've got other images down, like a gallery, so let's say of yourself performing the face and neck. Okay, so then you would have a photo of a client and your therapist actually doing it. If you upload it into the gallery here by just clicking add here, these are the items where we could just select here, or you can upload the folders. Then what will happen is that once you've inserted it and updated the product, it will actually just appear underneath here. So it will give the client a nice understanding on the what actually happens in that time. That there is how you edit a product. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to add a product.